Hi everyone. Did you make a poster design ready to sell online but need a good example of how it looks in real life? Then it's a great idea to make a mock-up. Did you know that on creativefabrica.com, you can find tons of ready-to-use mock-ups? And it gets even easier when I tell you we can put it all together with Studio. So let's search for a PNG poster mock-up. As you can see, many of them have a transparent cutout in the image. This will make it way easier for us. Download the one you like. After this, we are going to Studio, where we will create a new design. Upload your chosen mockup and place the images on the canvas. Add your poster design and position it right over the mockup, giving it a little extra space around the corners. When you're happy with the position, go to the Layer window and drag the poster right under the mockup. Once you're satisfied with the look, download your design. Now you have a perfect mock-up of your poster to show to the world. Thank you for watching and happy creating.